Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 9, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a strong investment opportunity, rating it as a buy candidate with a score of 3.13. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have witnessed an impressive gain of 25.98% since we first recommended Intel as a buy candidate 45 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.58% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend that is expected to continue. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential 42.36% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 33.88% and 56.4%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 51.4% change in the stock's value. This could lead to a return between 13.44% and 61.69%. In terms of price, the stock could range from $54.51 to $77.69 after a year. Our latest update for Intel brings you the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Intel stock after a decrease of 0.83%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, January 9, 2024, the Intel stock price experienced a decline of 0.83%, dropping from $48.45 to $48.05. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.59%, starting at a low of $47.80 and reaching a high of $48.56. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the past 10 days, it has still managed to increase by 0.1% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased along with the stock price, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume typically follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 12 million shares on the last day, with a total of 30 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $1.44 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Intel stock was $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the stock price is 6.29% or $3.23 below the 52-week high, and 30.65% or $21.24 below the all-time high on January 24, 2020 when the price reached $69.29. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, December 18, 2023, it was reported that Needham upgraded Intel to a neutral grade. On Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also upgraded Intel to a neutral grade. Bank of America Securities also upgraded Intel to a neutral grade on Friday, December 15, 2023. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities gave Intel an outperform grade with an upgrade. Telsey Advisory upgraded Intel to a buy grade on Thursday, November 16, 2023. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of buy. They believe the PE ratio is a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Intel stock signals have been analyzed and the following observations have been made. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal for Intel stock, suggesting a positive forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $47.91 and $45.62. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be generated. Another buy signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It is important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which may impact the stock's short-term development. Specifically, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -5.34% so far. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Notably, the volume also decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals to watch out for in the stock market. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence or MACD, which recently gave a buy signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. Additionally, the Bollinger indicator showed a buy signal 9 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we observed a buy signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also presented a buy signal 49 days ago. Interestingly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 46 days ago. Now, if we analyze the 12-month chart, we can identify the following signals. The short moving average issued a buy signal 22 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggested a buy signal 196 days ago. For more signals and in-depth analysis, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Intel. Intel currently has a support level at $46.16, which is backed by strong accumulated volume. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when it's tested. When it comes to risk, Intel has average movements throughout the day and a good trading volume. Therefore, the risk is considered to be medium. In the previous trading session, the stock had a price range of $0.760, which accounts for a 1.59% fluctuation. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 2.87%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Intel, let's begin by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings and is a critical metric to consider. A negative P/E ratio indicates that a company either has negative earnings or is currently losing money. It's important to note that even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.430. These numbers can have a significant impact on stock prices, so it's crucial to keep an eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $48.45. If you're not currently holding any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $46.16. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Intel is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. conducted an insider buy of 141,791 shares of Phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider buy of 62,189 shares of Phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider buy of 522,388 shares of phantom stock units. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 6,477 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.387. Overall, insiders purchased 337,967 shares and sold 403,532 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop-loss level for this stock is $45.60, which represents a decrease of 5.1%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 8 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals in the short term and a general upward trend. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity for Intel stock. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, January 10th, we anticipate Intel to open up by $0.0867 and begin trading at $48.14. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor prior to making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's essential not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome, viewers. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We want to hear your thoughts too, so don't forget to comment below and share your insights. What target do you have in mind for this stock? We're excited to hear your predictions. And if you enjoy this content, remember to like and subscribe for more valuable trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a truly wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.